How can integrating cybersecurity into every part of your overall business strategy maximize your organization's resilience and competitive advantage? Welcome to Cyber Broadcast episode 237. I'm Andrzej Cetnarski for CyberNation Central. Cybersecurity should not be seen as a standalone function any longer, but as an integral part of your business strategy. By embedding cybersecurity into your strategic planning, where each executive reports on their physical strategy, its digital counterpart, and both the physical and digital's cybersecurity counterpart, you ensure that security considerations are integrated into every aspect of your vision, mission, strategy, and operations. So first, start by aligning cybersecurity with business goals. So what does that mean? Ensure your security initiatives support your overall strategic goals. Second, make sure your strategic goals each have a cybersecurity component, ensuring their cyber resilience. Think about that for a second. Example, if your Chief Business Development Officer provides a go-to-market strategy that doesn't secure client data or prevent hackers from leaking first of all, gaining and then leaking your IP, it shouldn't reach the CEO's desk. Second, make sure you're engaging leadership. Engage every member of your board and C-suite in cybersecurity discussions. Regularly update them on the latest threats and the effectiveness of your security measures. This keeps cybersecurity top of mind and ensures informed decision-making across the board and C-suite. Your three key takeaways from today's episode. First, integrate cybersecurity into your overall business strategy to maximize resilience and competitive advantage. Second, align your cybersecurity goals with your business objectives to drive success. And third, engage your board and C-suite in regular cybersecurity discussions to ensure informed decision-making. As always, we're limited in what we can cover in a brief Thoughtcast episode like this, so to educate your board and C-suite further on these critical issues and elevate your cyber governance, strategy, and conduct, earn the Certified Cyber Ready Fiduciary CCRF certification by CyberNation Central. Schedule your consultation today at cybernationcentral.com and build a culture of breach deterrence from the board down. In our next episode, we'll discuss steps to develop a comprehensive cybersecurity framework and create a unified strategy across all business units and functions. Until then,